is a black hole? A black hole is a place in space where gravity pulls so much that even light can't get out. The gravity is so strong because matter has been squeezed into such a tiny part of space. This can also happen when a star is dying, creating a black hole. Because no light can get out, people can't see black holes. They are invisible. You can only see black holes through special tools in a space telescope that track and measure visible light rays, X-rays, and radio waves emitting from black holes. How big are black holes? Black holes can be either big or small. Scientists think that the smallest black holes are as small as just one atom. But even though they're small, their masses are pretty huge to amount of a large mountain. Mass is the amount of matter or stuff in an object. There are different types of black holes as well. One black hole type is called a stellar black hole, which its mass can be up to 20 times more than the mass of the sun. The largest black hole known is called a supermassive black hole, and these black holes have masses that are more than 1 million suns together, and scientists have found proof that every large galaxy contains at least one supermassive black hole at its center. There's also one in our galaxy called the Sagittarius, I believe. Yeah. And its mass is equal to about 4 million suns and would fit inside a very large ball that can hold a few million Earths. So how do black holes form? Particularly the stellar black hole are made when the center of a very big star falls upon itself or collapses.
There are two basic parts to a black hole, the singularity and the event horizon. The singularity is the very center of a black hole. The singularity forms when matter is compressed so tightly that no other force of nature can balance it. In a normal star, like the sun, the inward pull of gravity is balanced by the outward pressure of the nuclear reaction in its core. In the collapsed stars known as white dwarfs or neutron stars, other forces prevent the ultimate collapse. The event horizon is the point of no return around the black hole. It is not a physical surface, but a sphere surrounding the black hole that marks where the escape velocity is equal to the speed of light. The outer event horizon is the very outer layer. You would still be able to escape from a black hole's gravity because the gravity on this layer is not as strong as the middle or center layer. In the inner event horizon is the middle layer. This layer's gravity is strong. If it captures you, then you can't escape. The gravity on this layer releases anything that it captures. It would push you toward the center of a black hole where the gravity is very strong.
It is said time travel is possible with the use of a black hole. When a spaceship enters the orbit of a black hole, the amount it traveled around it can be the stimulation that allows time travel to happen. When it gets out of the black hole's orbit, the amount of time that Earth passes is going to be much longer than the time the spaceship experiences. This is because time passes slower around the black hole. When the spaceship arrives to Earth, they are basically into the future already. Think of it as a shortcut. A shortcut lets you travel a shorter distance in space to get somewhere. Shifting frames with high relative motion or a strong gravitational potential, a black hole, lets you travel shorter distance in time to get somewhere. A month for you, 1,000 years for everybody else. With this being said, it isn't as easy as it looks. Entering a black hole orbit means super precise maneuvering. One small mess up can cause you to be in a big mess, and that is entering the black hole itself. When this happens, a mere human being will be caught in the process called spaghettification. This is when you are vertically stretched and torn in half by extreme forces of a black hole.